is your stuffed crab. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lee, and I am back with another video. Today I am going to be showing you how I do my stuffed live blue crabs. So come on over here and let me show you what I'm doing. So for this recipe, you're gonna need some live blue crab. Can y'all see that? Grab that light. Leave the camera there and grab that light so they can see these crabs. I'm very afraid of them. I'm gonna let y'all get a closer look. Do y'all see those? Okay. So we're gonna be putting these live blue crabs into a pot of water that I already have preheating over here. And to that pan of water, I have my ingredients over here. I have my Zatarain's crab boil. I have my yellow and red and green peppers. I have my Zatarain's shrimp crab boil right here, the liquid. I have my accent, my breadcrumbs. I have panko breadcrumbs, also crushed red peppers, chopped chives, cilantro. I have my Old Bay, my garlic powder. I have some Parmesan cheese, an onion. I have some scallops, some shrimp. I'm also going to add just a little bit of snow crab. I have some fresh parsley here. And then over here I have some broccoli, tilapia, an egg. I have a lemon and a lime. And I am going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is open up this Zatarain's crab boil, and I'm going to drop it into my boiling water, just like that. Then I'm going to take my liquid crab boil, and I'm going to pour it in. I don't want to use the whole thing because I got that bag of crab boil in there. I'm also going to be using some Old Bay. Drop that in there. Now a lot of people don't do this, but when I'm doing my live blue crabs, I like to add my accent. I use accent on everything, guys, because I grew up on this stuff, and it's really good. You already know. I told you once before, it enhances the flavor. Which I forgot to mention, I'm going to use a little bit of Lawry's seasoned salt. And then I'm going to pour in my garlic powder. That is. Now since that is already boiling, and it doesn't take long, put that crab boil in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put my live blue crabs in. And I have about a dozen of the live blue crabs. Where are my tongs? As soon as I find my tongs, guys, hold on. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and try. And if I can't do it, then I'm going to have to call someone else to drop these live blue crabs in here. And because you basically want to dump them all in at once. But I'm really scared. There's one that's already clawing at me. And if I drop this bag, y'all gonna see something, and my cameraman gonna take off running also. Let me see if I can get them in there with no sweat. Ooh, I'm afraid. I'm scared already, guys. They do not want to come out the pack. And if one drops, then I'm gonna have to stop this. They don't want to go down in there. I'm gonna have to stop this video and call somebody to get them down in there. Ooh, he's trying to get out the fire. And he got out, guys. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna have to stop. Sorry, guys. I'm back. I am afraid of these live blue crabs. I've never been clawed by one, but still scary. But I still love them. They're like the best crabs I don't care if it's king crabs or Dungeness crabs or the snow crabs or whatever. The light blue crabs are my favorite, and they're more sweeter and have a, I don't know, a really pleasant taste. So I'm going to let those boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. You don't want to overcook them, because if you do, the meat will start boiling out of them. Now, over here, I'm going to go ahead and start making my mixture that's going to go inside the stuffed crabs, which is going to be my shrimp. Let me scoot that back. My scallops. And they're still a little frozen, but that's okay. I think I'm going to need a bigger bowl. Yeah, I'm going to need a bigger bowl. So I'm going to get a bigger bowl, guys. Okay, guys, I got a bigger bowl. I'm going to go ahead and dump this into a bigger bowl. I'm going to put my peppers in there, my green peppers, my red peppers, my yellow peppers, I'm going to break off a little bit of parsley and just tear that up. Put it in there, just like that, nothing fancy. I'm going to go ahead and now what you can do also, you can pre-cook your broccoli and stuff if you choose to, but since mine is going to bake, I'm not going to do any of that, because I eat my broccoli cooked or uncooked. It doesn't matter to me. I eat it all types of ways, so. But you can go ahead if you like and pre-cook your peppers and your broccoli and stuff. I have an onion here. I'm just going to make a couple of slices at the top of it. Like that, nothing fancy. I'll go ahead and let a little bit of those drop in there like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add a tad bit of mayo. I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. And add a little bit of accent, a little bit of Old Bay, some garlic powder, some red pepper, crushed red pepper. I'm going to add some chives. Some chopped chives. Excuse me, y'all. I'm doing a video. I don't know what's going on. A little bit of cilantro. I'm going to go ahead and stir that up. I'm going to go ahead and chop my fish up into little pieces. Now y'all, I always tell you, I got the shrimp that are already cooked, but they're frozen. Now the fish and stuff isn't frozen, so hopefully this will cook out evenly. But you can also use the raw shrimp, but I didn't feel like peeling and cleaning shrimp, so I just went ahead and got the pre-cooked shrimp. And see how I'm slicing this fish up really thin? It's gonna get done really, really fast. So I'm gonna drop it in there. Uh-oh, I'm losing some of my meat. I'm going to take my egg and drop it in there. Give it another mix. Now I'm going to let this mixture set for a minute. And when my live crabs are done, in about 10 more minutes, then I'm going to go ahead and mix that in there and show you how I stuff the crabs. Okay guys, I'm back. So I got the crabs out. They're done. I didn't have to let them cook, but it's around like 10-12 minutes because the meat had started boiling out of them. Now I'm not going to use all these live blue crabs because I'm only going to use probably about half of them. The other half, I'm going to do another how-to video on some crab cakes. So I'm going to go ahead and let these cool for a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the meat out of them. And then I'm going to come back and show you how I stuff them. Okay guys, so I am back. I took out a couple of crabs. I have 4 of them here. I'm going to do 4 stuffed crabs. Now, I don't know if you know the difference, but I have 3 females here. You see this? These are the females. So I have 3 of those. And then I have 1 male here. You see how he's different? So I'm going to go ahead and peel these, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I've got my crabs all peeled. My live blue crabs and my snow crabs. I'm going to go ahead to my mixture here and add my crab meat, which is a mixture of the blue crabs and the snow crabs. I'm just going to add that on in there like that. Give that a little stir. And I'm going to go ahead and stuff my crabs. Oh my gosh, y'all, this smells awesome, and it's not even cooked. And I went ahead and stuffed 6 of them. Can you get her, please? I'm going to finish stuffing my crabs here. I went ahead and did 6 of them. Okay, so I finally finished stuffing my crabs, and you may have a little stuffing left over, but that's okay. Ooh. I'm going to go ahead and top these with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. little bit of chopped chives. A little bit of crushed red peppers. I'm going to pop these in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll be back with the end results. So now that my crab cakes have finished cooking, I'm going to go ahead and transfer them on a plate, and I'll be right back to show you. And here you have the end results.